You install the kit once, you know you have that peace of mind. If you have that communication error, you're able to get your coach started. So what comes in the kit is a set of instructions, the wire harness with a relay, and a key switch with 2 keys. Now this kit ran about $175 plus shipping. Okay, but it's a peace of mind. It's a complete plug and play system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the install and how easy it is and how the system works to guarantee that you'll never be left stranded because of a key fob that fails to communicate with the Trimark module.